good rising. It's a beautiful day, and I'm learning some things. So, first of all, I am going to make this process of connecting with my higher self into steps, because I noticed that I first need to be able to let go and just flow with the flow naturally and easily, and a lot more frequently, because I'm just noticing that in my meditations that it takes time for me to let go and flow. And since that's something that takes time to do, I know that I need to work on that solely for right now. And then, as I was sitting outside, I had this thought of I want to bond with myself, because I was starting to notice yesterday that I was becoming farther and farther away from myself. And so today I was like, I want to bond with myself, be close with myself. And right when I thought that, I already started to open up and flow so naturally and so easily. And I just had this rush of goodness. I just felt so good, so whole. Excitement I felt. I felt this excitement like that you would feel if you're about to go do something that you're excited to go do. That's the feeling that came to me once I started to think about bonding with myself and actually just start just connecting with myself. And so then I was like, you know what? Maybe I should really take time to bond with myself. Really take time to sit with myself. Literally, just spend a day with myself. Get to know everything about myself. Enjoy myself. Because whenever I do connect with myself, I love it. I just love my energy. I love bonding and connecting with myself. And up until now, I feel like when I would think about it and, remind myself of it, I would feel really good and enjoy it. And then, kind of move on. And it wouldn't be a very prominent thing that I would be doing. It was just kind of something that I took note of and then, kept on going. But now I just really feel like I want to just take the time to just bond with myself, connect with myself, get to know myself. Because when I do, I just feel anchored in my body, within myself. I feel grounded. I feel whole. And just being present with that and with myself. But also at the same time, not putting any pressure, not putting any expectations. Just doing it. Just being. And whatever happens, happens. Whatever comes from it will come from it. And I'm learning more and more as I'm starting to let go and flow that everything just flows miraculously when you let go. Everything just flows so much more cohesively. Everything just comes off as more pure. It's beautiful. So that's what I've been learning so far today. Also to really be patient. Be patient with this. Just let whatever needs to happen. Just take my time. Take all the time that I need. No rush, no pressure. So that's what we're on right now. And it's exciting. Loader. We're making some black bean soup and HelloFresh. Okay, we got the onion, the peppers, starts with the P, whip it, and what are some things that we forgot to mention? Well, one of the things was, that I learned that opening up is on multiple levels. On like physical, emotional, and mentally. Like opening up on those levels. Like it's not just like simply just opening up, like there's layers. So that's what I learned also. And I kind of like, I don't know, I wasn't very mindful of like connecting with myself today. Today was another day where the time just felt like it was flying by. But I'm not sure, I'm still feeling out whether I want to focus on like bonding and connecting with myself or work on just being like open and flowing with all the vibes and everything. So that's still like a thing. I feel like I'm like going back and forth between the two. That's what I felt like today. But you know, I'm gonna be patient with this. Take my time, really feel all the vibes and enjoy it, you know? And look, this is what we're making. Y'all know what HelloFresh is? I feel like you would. But this is what we got. Hearty one pot, black bean, and poblano soup. Yeah.